Apple AirPods Pro 2 have been out since September 22nd of 2022. That's a very, very long time ago. I have had an absolute fantastic time with these AirPod Pros. I think they are one of the best products that Apple makes. In the end, I use my AirPods 2 absolutely every single day. AirPods Pro 2, just incredible. Let's talk about them. Now, the big question with these things is, should you purchase them now after they've already been out for so long? I'm going to say there's a possibility, right? Because AirPods Pro 3, they could be coming out in September, so like sometime in the fall. That is a very real possibility. However, I think these AirPod Pros are so incredibly impressive that you could get them at any time. See, here's the thing. The original AirPod Pros, the original AirPod Pros, they are still a very, very good product. If you had the original AirPod Pros, they still function totally fine. There's nothing really specifically about them that would kind of make you think that it's an older product. There is some cool little new features that have happened in the AirPods over time, but just as a pair of headphones, even the original AirPods 1, they still work fantastically. So should you buy the AirPods Pro 2? We'll talk about that, but I want to talk about right now some of my favorite features of these guys. First and foremost is the fact that it has USB-C. USB-C is so helpful, as you can see right here. It has the USB-C on this guy. That's great because when you want to carry around a single cable, you're traveling and all that kind of stuff, or maybe if you have it plugged into your car, having something with USB-C is so helpful. Even having the new MagSafe on the laptops on a MacBook, I don't really find all that helpful because I'd rather just take the one cable so I can do my camera and my phone and my AirPods and everything else in life, my Kindle, all of that. And so the fact that it has USB-C is really helpful. Now, the other thing is the fact that it has speakers on it, so you can use Find My and actually hear it out loud wherever the case is. That has come in handy. I have lost my AirPods from time to time, and being able to kind of hear it. Now, sometimes, man, is it just me, or does the chirp that Apple kind of puts for the Find My stuff, it's kind of, you don't really know exactly where it's at. It's a little bit hard to tell where it's going. So I love that it has the speakers on it. Let's talk real quick about the actual, like, how they fit in the case. I think they work great. They just kind of snap in place with some magnets, which is really cool, really helpful. Now, the big thing for me that I like about this is that, like, if you open it and shake it, it's not going to come out. You're not going to accidentally drop your AirPods anywhere. And I've also never had it where the AirPods did not charge. There are some other, I've had the Beats Pro, the ones that kind of wrap around your head. And the truth is, there have been times where I've put it into the case and then I pick it up like 2 hours later and they're completely dead, and that's not very helpful. And so the fact that these guys kind of magnetize in right away works great. The sound quality on these things is amazing. I mean, it feels like Apple did some kind of weird magic with how good these guys sound. They got really good basses. The mids are good. The highs are clear, all that. Now, it does have the different modes. I love using the transparency mode. Now, your kids don't always need to see you with your headphones in, but it is helpful that if you're listening to something. I listen to a lot of audiobooks. I just finished The Way of Kings by Brandon Sanderson. 48 hours or something like that of listening, and it's really helpful to be able to put it in transparency mode, still hear everybody, make sure everybody's okay. Transparency mode is awesome, but the reason why you would buy these is probably for the noise cancellation. The noise cancellation on these things is second to none. Yes, a bigger kind of over-the-ear headphone, that'd be cool. Like it does kind of operate better, but the seal on these guys is great. Now, one of my biggest concerns with these was actually the silicon on these guys. I was worried that the silicon on this, I tried to clean these guys up for you guys. I was worried that the silicon on these guys was actually going to hurt my ears if I put them in too long. But the truth of the matter is, I have not had problems with that at all, which has been great. I thought it was going to just like irritate my ears. But man, again, after listening to Brandon Sanderson for 45 hours, 48 hours, something like that, I thought it would hurt. And they did not. And so that's really great about these guys. So next, let's talk about the battery life of these AirPods. They are fantastic, okay? I probably charge these guys once a week, maybe sometimes twice a week if it's a really heavy week of use. And like I said, I have them in my ears almost 24/7. And so having these guys, not 24/7, I don't sleep with my AirPods in, but I have them in pretty much all the time, and the battery life is insane. You get multiple days use out of them. That's great. When they're out of the case and they're in your ears, you get a lot of battery life as well. So if you're concerned about battery life and like all day listening, that does not need to be a thing. The H2 chip in these guys is very efficient, which is awesome. So again, battery life, don't worry about it. You're going to be just fine. Now, lastly, let's talk about the price of these guys. $250 might seem like a lot, especially for a product that came out in September 22nd of 2022. That feels like a lot of money, but it's not. Now, granted, you can get these on Amazon for cheaper, especially during like holiday sales and all that. So keep an eye out for that. But $250 for something that you're going to use all day, every day, constantly, take phone calls on it. It's just so incredibly helpful. For me, I would pay $250, no problem for these guys. But like I said, you can find them for quite a bit cheaper. So should you wait around? Let's answer that question. Should you wait around for the AirPods Pro 3? I don't think so. I think these guys are good enough where they're at that if you buy them now and say in 6 months a new pair does come out, I don't think they're going to be so over the top better that you're going to kind of wish that you didn't buy these things. And so I think that if you're kind of waiting around, don't do it. Get these now. They are incredible, incredible tool for you, especially if you got kids and stuff and you need to just kind of have that noise cancellation to work. If you're working from home or your coffee shop, it's just so helpful. So the AirPods Pro 2 get a 2 thumbs up for me. Highly recommended. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. We're on the road to 10,000. We're very close. Like this video if you found it helpful. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the AirPods Pro 2. Are they as amazing as I'm saying they are, or am I full of it? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.